sprinkle some water because we don't have statues, so we just. This is bathing. Mandakiryastu yadavali sarva paparam shubham paritam kalpitam devam snata pravyutam shri sattanaya namah snanim jalam samarpayami. Now we can take water in the spoon. Shri sattanaya namah snanante achmanam jalam samarpayami. Now again we take petal and dip it in panchamrit. Kamadhenu samritam sarvesham jivanam param pavanam yajyaheteshu payasnanartham arpitam Shri Satyanarayana Namaha Payasnanam Samarpayami. Then again we dip it in dahi, in the curd, yogurt. Here you can take, if you have it, you can take that also. Payasastu samadrutam madhuramlam shashi prabham dadhyanitam maya deva snanartha pritbhutam Shri Satyanarayana Namaha dadhisnanam samarpayami. And you can take some ghee from here. Navneeta samatpannam sarvasantoshakarакam Nrutyam subhyam tvadasyami snanat pritigutam Shri Satyanarayana Namaha Kruta snanam samarpayami. Just sprinkle a little. Then honey for everybody. And there is no classification that only Brahmin can do. If you're not even Brahmin, you can do this puja. So there is no restriction on that. Now we go on the second chapter. Dusra Adhyay. Nirdhan Brahman tatha Kashta Kreta ki katha. Sut Uvach. Athanyat sampravekshami krutayen puradvija kaschit kashipure ramme hasidve proti nirdhana Shito Brahmya Vyakuna Bhutva Nityam Prabham Bhutne Dukhitam Brahman Dushva Bhagwan Brahman Priya Buddha Brahman Rupasya Prabhachat Vijamadat Kimarte Bhavasya Vipra Mahinitya Sudukitaha Tatsara Shatamichami Kathayam Puja Saktamaha Brahman Uvacha Brahmati Daridraham Bhikshate Brahme Mahim Upamidi Janasi Krupya Kathay Prabhu Buddha Brahman Uvach Satyanarayana Vishnu Vanchita Fal Pradaha Kasya Tvam Pujan Vitram Kurushyavatam Uttama Yat Krutva Asur Dukhabhyam Bhakti Bhavati Manavaha Vidhanam Cha Vritasyapi Prabhashiyatataha Satyanarayana Vratasatrivam Dhiyataha Tadvratam Sankarishyami Duktam Brahmani Ve Di Sanchita Viprasi Ratu Nidana Labdhaman Tata Vrata Suvata Satyanvatamaha Karishyami Ti Sankalpa Dikshartamakam Advijaha Tasmin Nevdeva Prachuram Dravyamatvam Teneva Bandhubi Sada Satasya Vratamacharataha Sarva Dukha Vinirmukte Sarva Sampat Samayita Babhosva Jidrisheshta Vratasya Prabhavavataha तद प्रभुति काल च मासी मासी व्रतम कृतम एवं नानसेद व्रतम कृता द्विजोक्तमः सर्व पाप विनिर्मुक्तो दुर्लभ मोक्षमाप्नुयात् मृदमस्य यदा विप्रत पृथ्व्या संकृष्यति तदेव सर्व दुःख तु मनुजस्य विनिश्यति एवं नारायणोक्तं नारदाय महात्मने मया तत्कितं विप्र किमन्यत् कथयामि वः ऋष्यः ऊचुः तस्माद् विप्राच्युतं केन पृथ्व्याचरितं मुने तत्सर्वश्रुतमिच्छामि श्रद्धास्मं प्रजायते Sud Uvac Shrutam Sarve Vratam Yen Hita Bhuvi Ekdasvit Sadvijvaro Yatha Vyavastareha Bandhuvi Svachane Sad Vratam Kartus Madate Etasmanante Kale Kashtakrita Samagatam Bahi Kashtacha Viprasya Brahmaya Trishtam Pranditatma Drishtotra Prita Vratam Pranipatna Dvijamaha Kibidam Kriti Tvaya Kutam Kim Pranapnoti Visadvad Me Prabhu Viprovac Satyanarayana Vratam Sarvasiddham Tasya Prasadenma Sarvadhandanikam Hatas Tasmadi Tahat Vratam Gyatva Kashtakrita Harshita Papojam Prasadam Cha Bhuktasam Nagaram Yoho Satyanam Devamansa Chinte Kashta Vikrito Grame Prapti Chandi Yadhanam Teneva Satyadeva Sagarishiti Vartamamiti Sanchiti Mansa Kashtam Rutam Tamastake Jagam Nagre Ramme Dhaninam Yatra Sasita Tadvine Kashmulam Cha Diganam Praptavanaso Tata Prasanna Rudayam Su Pakvam Kadali Phalam Shakra जो भी उनके भक्त हैं, those who are suffering, he likes to help them. And there was like this Avrod the Brahmin. He was a Brahmin. He was very old, so he was not doing his occupation, which is teaching. And because he was not teaching, he was not getting any money to live his living. And he was very poor, and he was, living on the alms and food which people used to give him. So Bhagwan became very, very emotional for him, and he came in form of another Vruddha Brahmin. And he came to him and he said, "Why you're so suffering?" So he says, "I have no living. I can't make my life. I don't have money to live my daily life." So he says, "I can give you a solution. You have to do the Vrat of Satyanarayana, and once you do that, your Daridrata, which is your poverty, you will get liberated from it." So he does this Vrat, and because of that, all his poverty disappears, and he is now wealthy again. So this is again a concept that when you get something in life, you have to share with others. You just don't keep it to yourself. So when this Brahmin, one day he's doing this puja, he does this puja every Purnima, and especially in Kartik. It's month of Bhagwan Vishnu which comes during Diwali. So that whole month is devoted to Bhagwan Vishnu, and on Kartik Purnima, if you do Satyanarayan, if you don't get time to do it the whole year, you should do it on Kartik Purnima. So on that day he's doing, on Kartik Purnima, he's doing Satyanarayan. There is a wood cutter, Lakadhara, who brings wood to sell, and he's also poor. And he sees that this Brahmin is doing puja in his home, and he goes inside the house, gets some water from the Brahmin. So this time again, this is another thing which tells us that at that time when these books were written, there was no discrimination. Even if you're not a Brahmin, you could go in a Brahmin's house and get some water. So the society was not made like this, that you're not Brahmins, you can't go in a Brahmin's house and ask for water. They could go. So that shows the openness of Indian society at that time. And he goes inside and he asks for water, so he doesn't only get water, but he also gets the prasad. And then he asks the housewoman of that house that, what is this sweet all about? What are you celebrating? And then the Brahmin tells, हाथी खड़े रहते हैं, वो चोर चुरा के उनके घर में डाल के जाता है. और ये इसलिए होता है क्योंकि this is just a reason to get the wrong blame. और राजा को लगता है ये दो चोर हैं, और उनको वो जेल में डाल देते हैं. Now क्योंकि husbands are away, both the woman, mother and daughter, here again you can see sometimes घर जमाई का concept भी था उस time पे. So the लड़का used to stay with the wife and his family. So ये जब they are gone, now these women have to find, उनको अपने घर के लिए रोजमर्रा की चीजों के लिए they have to go and work. Now these women at some stage of life they were not so learned. तो उनको लिए they have to go and ask for food daily in the house of people. Now one night the daughter Kalavati, she goes in a house जहाँ सत्यनारायण की पूजा होती है, and she listens everything and then she takes the prasad and she goes back to her mother, and mother is worried that why my daughter hasn't, लड़की क्यों नहीं आई अभी तक, रात हो गई. तो जब घर जाती तो मम्मी पूछती कि क्यों आप इतने देर से आए, तो बोलती कि I saw puja of Satyanarayan and happening in one family and I liked very much. I mean we should also do this puja. And then the mother realizes के रूप में आते हैं, पूरे फटे हुए कपड़े, बिल्कुल like a very old man, कुछ खाया ही बहुत दिनों से, और उस ब्राह्मण से पूछते हैं कि उस नाव में क्या है. तो ब्राह्मण जब उनको देखता है तो उनको लगता है कि ये ऐसे ही है फालतू आदमी, उसको बोलते हैं कि इसमें पत्ते हैं, पत्ते से भरी नाव है, बट वो ट्रूथ नहीं रहता, उसमें बहुत सारा पैसा जो राजा ने दिया रहता है वो लाते हैं. तो भगवान बोलते हैं ऐसा ही हो. फिर ब्राह्मण थोड़ी देर बाद जब अपनी नाव को देखना था तो नाव डूब जाती है, बहुत हल्की हो जाती है और डूबने की स्टेज में रहती है. तो सोचते हैं कि इतना सामान भरा था, ये डूब नहीं रही थी. तो जैसी नाव में जाके देखता है तो सब पत्तियां होती है उसमें, उसका सारा गोल्ड पत्तियों में टर्न अप हो जाता है. तो सोचता हाउ कैन दिस हैपन, अभी तो इसमें सब सामान भरा था, पत्तियां कैसे हो गई. उसको याद आता है कि मैंने एक जो पुअर मैन आया था उसको बोला कि इसमें सब पत्तियां हैं, और उसने बोला ऐसा ही हो, उससे सारा पत्ता हो गया होगा. तो थोड़ी दूर पे जाके उनको ढूंढता है, एंड वो जो ब्राह्मण के रूप में जो भगवान रहते हैं वो बैठे रहते हैं पत्थर पे, और उनकी मात की जय, जय श्री राम, माता शारदा स्वामी जननी की जय, जय श्री लक्ष्मी नारायण भगवान की जय. जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा, माता जानकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा. एक दंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी, माथे पे सिंदूर सोहे मूस की सवारी. जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा, माता जानकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा. अंधन को आँख देत कोढ़िर को काया, वांझन को पुत्र देत निर्धन को माया. जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा, माता जानकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा. हार चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा, लड्डुअन का भोग लगे संत करे सेवा. गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा, माता